Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I want to show you this ECM, how to repair and also identify the major parts in this ECM. So we are going to start with the capacitors. This one here, these are the capacitors. You see, I'm going to point each and every capacitor in this. Okay, but capacitor helps in stabilizing the voltage. Okay, so next we are going to the diodes. These are the diodes. You see, has a number of diodes. Okay, remember the diodes help in preventing the backflow of the current. So that's how the diode looks. So we now have this processor. This actually is the motherboard that controls the most parts of the car. So this is the processor. Okay, we also have these 4 transistors. You can see this actually controls the ignition coils. You see, those are the transistors. Okay, so we also have this actually controls the nozzles. You can see we also have this part here. This the oscillator. This one here, this the oscillator. Okay, so let me focus. This is what we call the oscillator. We also have this here. This control the operations of the ECM as you turn the ignition on. Okay, this one here. So the operation for each depends on the type of ECU, but basically each item works as a unit. Okay, so this one here works as the unit for the nozzles. This one here first works for the throttle. You see, so I'm going to show you each one. These are the crystals. Let me focus for you that way. These are the crystals. You can see we also have this part here. This is the security of the car. This is the IMO. Okay, those that the prom. So we also have these resistors here. You can see as I'm pointing out each and every part of this. Then we are going to also spot these two operate differently. That one controls the idling of the car. That's the RPM basically. Okay, as I had told you, these are ECM for Hitachi. These are the main power supply here. You see, that's the power supply. And you also have these fuse. These are the fused. Okay, so basically that's how the ECM look. Once I turn this other side, this is soprane, and that's how it works. So that's a Hitachi ECM. I also want to show you this. These are the part controls the communication between the TCM and also the ECU. So subscribe to Auto Insider